Holistic health model. It refers to the holistic view of health by considering emotional and spiritual well-being, as well as other dimensions such as the alternative and complementary therapies. So here, the client is considered as the ultimate expert regarding their own health. Complementary and alternative approaches to healthcare, such as music therapy, relaxation therapy, therapeutic touch, biofeedback, massage therapy, guided imagery, etc. So in music therapy, there are two types, receptive or expressive. Therapeutic touch, that is a form of biofield therapy involving direction of practitioners' balanced energies in an intentional manner towards those of a patient. Massage therapy, that is manipulating the soft tissue, for example, back care. Guided imagery, concentrating on an image or series of images to treat pathological conditions. Our relaxation therapy, example, deep breathing and cupping, yoga. Biofeedback, that is a non-direct therapy by sensing the involuntary processes in the body and trying to relax with guided imagery. Thank you.